Godzilla was extremely hungry. Because of this, he entered the city and continued moving forward while eating everything he could find. Seeing this terrifying sight, people throughout the city began running for their lives. At the same time, an important meeting was taking place. A national leader was delivering a speech when suddenly the ground started shaking. Police vehicles began trembling as well. Everyone was shocked and wondered if an earthquake had struck. However, the mystery did not last long. Within moments, Godzilla arrived at the scene. Smashing through buildings, he continued advancing through the city. The sight of the giant monster emerging from a destroyed building filled everyone with fear. Panic spread everywhere. People ran in all directions trying to save themselves. The city quickly descended into complete chaos. Meanwhile, a journalist named Victor was talking with his girlfriend. As soon as he learned that Godzilla had entered the city, he grabbed his camera and rushed out, determined to capture footage of the giant monster. His girlfriend repeatedly tried to stop him. She knew how powerful and dangerous Godzilla was and feared that Victor might lose his life. After all, nobody wants to see someone they love walk into danger. But Victor refused to listen. He believed that if he could capture exclusive footage of Godzilla, he would become famous. So he ran toward the monster with his camera. When he finally reached Godzilla, he quickly began preparing to record. However, in his excitement, he forgot to properly insert the memory card into the camera. As a result, he was unable to record at first. Realizing his mistake, he quickly fixed it and started filming again. Just then, Godzilla stepped directly toward him. Amazingly, Victor fell into the gap between Godzilla's gigantic claws instead of being crushed beneath the monster's foot. Because he landed in that narrow space, he survived what should have been a fatal encounter. Victor was overjoyed. Not only had he survived, but he had also captured incredible footage of Godzilla. Later, he shared the video with television networks. The footage spread rapidly, and people everywhere learned that Victor was the person who had recorded it. Within a short time, Victor became famous, and his video went viral. His girlfriend was also thrilled and proud of his success. Meanwhile, news of Godzilla's rampage reaches the military. The armed forces immediately begin preparing a full-scale operation to stop him. At the same time, we see an important man speaking inside a building. Suddenly, his assistant says, "Sir, look behind you. Take a look through the window." However, when the man looks out the window, he sees nothing. Godzilla has already moved farther ahead. Later, we see the military gathering large amounts of fish from different locations and piling them up in one specific area. They know that Godzilla is extremely hungry. Their plan is to lure him to that location using food. Once he becomes busy eating, they intend to attack him from all directions. That is their strategy. To make the plan work, the military keeps Godzilla under constant surveillance. They also spread the scent of fish throughout the area so that Godzilla will follow the smell toward the trap. And friends, let me remind you that this is part 3 of the story. I have already explained the previous 2 parts on the channel. If you haven't watched them yet, be sure to check them out so you can better understand the full story. Anyway, Godzilla continues moving forward, following the scent of fish. Meanwhile, the military opens a manhole cover and places fish along the route. More fish are scattered inside the passage so that Godzilla will keep following the trail toward the planned location. Just as expected, Godzilla follows the trail of fish and eventually arrives at the target area. Everyone present is terrified by the monster's enormous size. Then, as Godzilla begins eating from the massive pile of fish, the military launches its attack. Bullets and missiles are fired at him from every direction. However, Godzilla is not only powerful, he is also highly intelligent. The moment he notices the incoming missiles, he quickly crouches down. As a result, the missiles miss Godzilla entirely and crash into a large building behind him instead. But friends, the real battle has only just begun. Will the military be able to stop Godzilla? Fearful face, or will the entire city be destroyed by his unstoppable rampage? Collision. Don't miss the next episode to find out what happens next. Right finger subscribe to the channel and turn on the bell icon so you never miss an update. Heart if you enjoyed the video, leave a like and tell us in the comments, who do you think will win, the military or Godzilla? See you in the next episode. Stay safe and take care.